Hey guys, we're going to do another weld test, but we're welding stainless overhead sheet metal with a 16 gauge gap in between them. So we use this above it to trap the gas. So we put it together right like that, so it's above us. Put it together so you can see down it. And we're going to put it up. Like that. So we're going to want to do an angle. If this is the metal, we're gonna be welding it back towards us. And we're gonna, rather than have it straight up, we're gonna have it at an angle. Actually, quite a bit of an angle. I'd say like 15 degrees, or it's not like that, but like that. So all the gas can go through the crack up in there into the pocket above it. So we'll be pulling it about just like this, and it'll take about 9 or 10 seconds to get all the way through. So just like this angle, and that way we get the colors. I don't know, maybe you can see the colors, not a ton of colors, on the actual weld that comes through. Well, there's colors on this one, you can see it a little bit. It's not black though, like there's an old one maybe. You'll see it's black here and like flaky with shiny stuff, and then you'll see this one here. It's you can see rainbows in it. So that's dark, and this is rainbows. So you can't see it very well, but you're gonna have to trust me, and that makes it good. If it's got a little color in it, it's gonna be pink. Basically, pink is good and black is bad. So that's how you pass this particular test. So let's do a test right now. We did it. You can see in the light, possibly the but that little bit of color is what we're looking for. So here's the top. It's like the other video I just posted last week or 2 weeks ago, actually. It would have been today, about the overhead aluminized sheet. So check out that video. I'll post it right here. And that's it. That's how you do this one. It's a lot alike. You use the 16 gauge shim in between the plates, a little bit loose. And the weld settings, by the way, are at looks like we're at 40% here, and then 18.8 volts. We're using the 308 Lumax with 98.2 gas, about 45 flow, And now you know how to do this test. If you wanted to pass this test, those are the things you need to know: the back angle, temperature, the feed, and of course the gases. So I think that's it. If there's anything else, I'll include it in the description. But as far as I can tell, that's all there really is. Number one is the angle. So that big angle to get up in the crack and over the weld, that's actually the most important thing. It's like alien technology. Like, that's like the super secret trick. Like, that's the number one, because once you're good enough to do the seam weld above you, it's really it comes down to making it colorful. So once you get the consistency and you're counting, then you're gonna want to make sure that you have the right angle. Once you get it right, you can just tip it farther at an angle. So like you can just do it normally, like at like 5-degree back sweep, like back sweep 5 degrees all the way. And you can tip it back farther and get the color, because it'll force the gas up in there better. So like you can set it right and then tip it back for the color. So that's got to be the secret. So that's got to be all there really is for this particular test. I'm about to do the test, actual official test now. So enjoy it, have fun welding.